T, Liv, I have to tell you, T, when I first read this case, before I came to sit down here just now in my court and read your papers with great care, I was absolutely of the view that this was an archetypal case of an auntie lending a niece money, and consequently there not being an enforceable agreement. And there rarely is in these sorts of situations, because there's a missing element from the contract, which is what's called an intention to create legal relations. When you give your niece £5,000, it isn't assumed that you're going to go to court by either party. It's what has to be implied as a gift. And the courts don't get involved in those sorts of things. Otherwise, that's all the courts would ever deal with. And I should tell you, I was about to dismiss your case after a very short hearing. However, during the course of this case, despite the fact that the terms of this loan were almost non-existent, your mother, your sister-in-law, did something very helpful to you, which was effectively to present what is agreed by both parties as a repayment plan. What's more, in one of your text messages, although there was no final time for the payment to arrive, it's quite clear that you acknowledged that this was a debt, and a debt that was to be paid, according to your own mother, in instalments. Given that that's the case, I, by the narrowest margin, am satisfied that this is an enforceable agreement and you owe the rest of it now. Consequently, I have no choice but to give you a full judgment for the claim you seek, and this court awards you £3,550.
Thank you.
There it is. I don't know what's going to happen to this relationship. That's a matter for you. But that's the award of this court.
T won her case and was awarded the full amount of her claim. Let's find out how both parties felt about the judge's ruling.
Sorry, Liv, I had to bring you. I need the money back. You weren't letting on that you were going to pay me back soon, and then you blocked me. And I thought, I've lost. I can't go on not knowing. I'm glad it's over, basically. Whether she carries on ignoring me, I don't know. I don't want her to.
I've got nothing more to say on the matter.
Sorry. I love her to bits, I still do, but the trust is gone.
If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly suggest clicking here for more highlights. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and why not, so that you never miss out, subscribe. Clicking down there, that's an order.